guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. So in today's video, as you could tell by the title, I am bringing another unboxing video of a ring light that I received from an Amazon company. I will leave everything in the description box for you guys to purchase and check out. But I'm bringing this to you because you guys liked the video that I did of the Neewer ring light that I had posted on my channel a while back, and I just felt like I should bring more alternatives and other options to you guys. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how I put together the ring light, and then I'm also gonna give you an overview about how I feel and compare it to the Neewer ring light because the Neewer ring light is very popular. Okay, so straight off the back, it comes in a box. It's packaged very well, so I'm not expecting anything to be broken. So if you guys don't know much about lighting, right now I'm using my vanity lights. It is daylight light bulb, so that's what this lighting is. When I open this and plug everything in, I'm gonna turn these off so you guys can see the whole view of everything. So I have my scissors. I'm gonna open the packaging. I already like this already because I feel like this comes with a bag, and my Neewer ring light, I'm sure the bag was optional. You could purchase a bag for it, but it was like additional money. This came, like, who wants to add add-ons to a light? This comes with a bag, so I really like it. Bottom of the box is the stand. So the stand comes in this box. And this is what the ring light, I'm guessing, comes in. And there is adjustable straps for you to... This is a good travel, like, this is very light. I'm pretty sure you could fit the legs in this too. Like, you could probably force the legs in there, but I'm liking it so far. Like, I'm a makeup artist, so like I need stuff that is convenient and like accessible and travel like size. I mean, not travel size, but like compact, like stuff that can condense into like packaging like this. So it's just a bag. There's no extra compartments or anything like that. It's just plain Jane. That bag would actually be mad cute if I could get my logo on it. This light is definitely... Look, I'm going to show you the features. It has a USB port. What ring light do you know has a USB port? That's already a pro for me. And then I'm not sure what these two things are, but we'll figure it out. So straight off the back, this seems very sturdy. This works. Oh, perfect. So when you like go to open up the legs, you want to loosen this knob out, and it's just gonna, oops. So it opens wide. I don't want it to open that wide, and I like that the legs are super wide when you place it on the floor, because you know how it takes up a lot of space. So I'm gonna sit this on the floor. I am approximately 5'8". I want to give you an idea of how tall this goes before I put on actual ring light. This is one section. This is the second one. This is the second one, and then here goes I don't think anybody's gonna need it this high, but I want to say it's about like 6'3". But yeah, I'm confused. So it comes with like removable plates, but the Neewer ring light came with orange plates. These ones are just clear. And I'm so sorry if I sound a little congested. It's allergy season in New York, and I'm suffering from allergies. I was miserable the last couple days, but I'm feeling a little bit better, and I had to get this video out, so that's what I'm here for. I think these lights are, what is it called? I don't think these lights give off heat, so that's a good thing if you're a makeup artist looking for lights that don't give off heat. I'm guessing this is the bag for, yeah, this is the bag for the legs that it comes with, but I'm sure you can stick the legs in with the ring light. I guess this is for your phone. Comes with, I have no, oh, I guess this is for like a iPad. This is definitely like a mount for the iPad. I don't have an iPad, so I'm not going to be using this piece. And then there's one for the phone. So everything is plugged up. I'm just going to, oh wait, this is complicated. This part is complicated. Everything else was very easy putting together, but this part, okay, so it comes with this piece. Okay. I have no idea. I have no idea where this goes. Like, I'm confused because it has 2 empty battery sockets, I guess, for the ring light. I'm not really sure. It's a lithium battery mount. I'm not sure if it's for like the camera or a ring light. And then there's, I feel like maybe I'm missing a piece or something that basically slides into here, if that makes sense. I don't know, but I'm not about to figure it out because I don't have any more pieces. But I'm going to turn on the ring light for you. So on the back, there's a plug and then there's a battery. So this is it. Okay, so I don't have any batteries in, so it's not gonna work. So I am. This is the ring light. I'm just gonna put this here. I don't know how I feel about it. Let's see if the USB works. So the USB does charge my phone. I'm going to just, I can't even really, we're just gonna take this off. I can't even really show y'all. This is the lighting at the highest. You guys, I have my room lights on, they're not that bright. This is my room lights off and just the ring light. The only thing that's throwing me off is the phone mount, but I would rate this a 9 out of 10 compared to the Neewer, only because it did not come with the orange ring lights that the Neewer one has, and because the phone mount does not connect to the actual ring light. But it is very sturdy, it's very tall, it comes with a bag, like, I'll give it that. So let me know what you guys think about it, if you end up purchasing it, or if you have the Neewer ring light and you switch over to another one. I'm gonna do another video on another ring light or another lighting, so you guys have options. Like, I know people who record videos and never like their lighting or can't find the perfect lighting and need videos like this, so that's what I'm here for. Also, thank you to everybody who has subscribed recently. Like, it does not go unnoticed. I really appreciate you guys. And comment down what you guys would like to see from me. Another story time, another ring light video, clothing haul, anything I'm willing to do. Just comment it down below and add me on my social media. That will be in the description down below. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys all in my next video.